Hello everyone and welcome to Rajput Jain and Associate. Today in this video we will be discussing about shop and establishment license. We will be discussing what does shop and establishment license means, who needs to obtain this license, what are the benefits of getting this license, and the documents required for its registration. So let's begin with our video. Shop and establishment license are required to be obtained by all those shops and establishments such as wholesalers, retailers, establishment warehouses, hotels, restaurants, cinemas, and etc. It ensures that all the employees are provided with equal benefit and right such as proper working condition, wages, holidays, and other benefits as well. So this license is something which is to be obtained within 30 days from the commencement of business operation. Now, having discussed about the meaning of shop and establishment license, we now comes to the benefit. So talking about the benefit, there are numerous benefits one can obtain after getting this license. The first benefit is it provides legal recognition to your shop or your establishment. It acts as important proof or evidence if you are going to take registration under any other act in India such as company, LLP registration, GST registration, etc. It also acts as a business proof for opening a bank account and helps in raising finance from banking and financial institutions. So having discussed about the benefits, it's now time to discuss about the mandatory documents that are required to obtain shop and establishment license. So first of all, you are required to have the ID proof such as the Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID card, driving license of the employers. Second is passport size photograph of the employer. Next, you would be requiring list and the details of the directors and the partners, trustees if it is a trust, and cooperative members if it's a cooperative society. Then next is the details of the employees along with their working duration detail, their employment position, their wage rate, etc. Then you would be requiring PAN card of company, LLP, partnership form, proof of legal occupancy of the shop or the establishment that you are going to incorporate. So for that you would be requiring the ownership document in case it is a owned property, and otherwise you would be requiring a rent agreement in case of a rented property. Now one more thing is that in case it is a rented property, an NOC should also be obtained from the owner. Then other documents could be the utility bill like the electricity bill or the water bill of the working premise. Then we have to provide the incorporation documents of the business entity like the MOA, AOA in case of a company, and the partnership deed in case of a partnership firm. Then also a letter of consent of partners or the board resolution which has been passed by the company, a photo of the establishment or the shop which is going to be established, any FSSAI license or any other drug license if it is applicable on your company, the IEC code, the NOC which has already been received from the police department and the municipal corporation. So having discussed about the documents required for obtaining the license, we now come to the procedure of obtaining the license. So first of all, you have to visit the respective state's official website and then read their rules and regulations and the procedure for registration, because this process may vary from state to state. In some states, the process is online, while in others, it might be a manual or an offline process. So for the online process, you have to file an application form on the website, attach the requisite documents which I have already mentioned earlier, and after this you have to submit the application to the chief inspector along with the requisite fees. Now in case of offline process, you have to submit application along with the documents and fees to the authority established for granting license. So if all the things go well, the license is issued. Now the second thing is the validity or the renewal of the registration. So generally it is seen the validity differs from state to state. Some states provide the certificate for lifetime while others provide for 1 to 2 or 1 to 5 years. So if we talk about renewal, an application of renewal is required to be made 30 days before the expiry of the license. Now lastly we come to the cancellation of license. Now in case you have to close down your business, it is required to cancel your shop and establishment license within 15 days of closure of shop. For this, you will have to visit the website, fill in all the specified details and submit the application along with the requisite documents. You also need to inform your area inspector in charge in writing. So this was all about shop and establishment license. For any query, please contact Rajput Jain & Associate, or you can also visit our website carajput.com. Thank you.